Welcome to the Science Magicians today. Let's deep dive into the fascinating world of gorillas. These mighty creatures, often considered the gentle giants of the animal kingdom, hold secrets that will surprise and captivate you. Here are 20 weird and interesting facts about gorillas that will change the way you see them. 1. Largest primates on Earth. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world, with adult males, known as silverbacks, reaching up to 6 feet tall when standing and weighing between 300 to 500 pounds. Despite their immense size, gorillas are predominantly herbivores, feeding mostly on fruits, leaves, and plants. 2. Silverbacks have incredible strength. A silverback gorilla's strength is legendary. They are estimated to be about 10 times stronger than an average human. Their powerful arms can lift nearly 1,800 pounds. However, gorillas rarely use their strength for aggression. Instead, it's for protecting their families and navigating their environment. 3. Gorillas can walk upright, but rarely do. While gorillas are mostly quadrupedal, walking on all fours using their knuckles, they can stand and walk on 2 legs. This upright posture is typically reserved for short distances, perhaps to gather food or display dominance. Gentle vegetarians. Despite their intimidating size and strength, gorillas have a predominantly vegetarian diet. They enjoy a menu of over 100 plant species, including leaves, shoots, and fruit. Occasionally, they'll eat small insects, but they do not hunt or consume meat, like some of their primate relatives. 5. Complex social structures. Gorilla groups, called troops, have a strict hierarchy led by a dominant silverback. This silverback takes on the role of protector, father, and leader. Troops typically consist of 5 to 30 individuals, and the silverback decides everything from movement to foraging activities. 6. They share 98% of their DNA with humans. Gorillas are incredibly close relatives to humans, sharing about 98% of our DNA. This genetic similarity explains some of their very human-like behaviors, such as their ability to experience complex emotions like grief, joy, and even laughter. 7. Gorillas grieve their dead. Speaking of emotions, gorillas exhibit signs of mourning. If a troop member dies, other gorillas often remain close to the body for hours, touching or inspecting the deceased as if trying to understand what has happened. This behavior is a profound testament to their emotional depth. 8. Chest beating is more than just a threat. When we think of gorillas, we often imagine them beating their chests in displays of aggression. But did you know that chest beating is also a form of communication? It can signal dominance, attract mates, or warn intruders, but it's not always an act of aggression. 9. Gorillas build nests. Yes, gorillas build nests. Every night, gorillas make new nests by folding branches and leaves to create a comfortable sleeping area. Sometimes they even build nests during the day for naps, either on the ground or in trees, depending on their habitat. 10. Gorillas have unique fingerprints. Just like humans, gorillas have unique fingerprints. No 2 gorillas have the same prints, which can help researchers identify individual gorillas in the wild. 11. Gorillas catch human diseases. Because of their genetic similarity to humans, gorillas are vulnerable to many of the same diseases we are. Respiratory infections, viruses, and even Ebola have devastated gorilla populations in the wild. This sensitivity highlights the close biological link between us. 12. Highly intelligent creatures. Gorillas are incredibly intelligent and can use tools to assist with tasks. In the wild, gorillas have been observed using sticks to measure water depth or as walking aids in swampy areas. In captivity, gorillas like the famous Koko have even learned sign language to communicate with humans. 13. Silverback takeovers. When a silverback dies or is ousted from the troop, the new dominant male may kill all the infants. This grim act ensures that the females become available to mate and produce his offspring. Though harsh, it is a survival tactic to continue the lineage of the strongest leader. 14. Babies are born tiny. Gorilla infants are surprisingly small at birth, weighing only about 4 to 5 pounds. Despite their small size, they grow quickly, and by the age of 3 or 4, they can weigh as much as a small adult human. 15. Gorillas communicate with 25 distinct sounds. Gorillas have a sophisticated communication system with up to 25 different vocalizations, each with specific meanings. These sounds include grunts, barks, roars, and hoots, which help them communicate everything from warnings of danger to expressions of contentment. 16. Solitary silverbacks are not uncommon. While gorillas are known for their family troops, some silverbacks lead solitary lives after leaving their natal group. These lone males often roam the forest for years before either starting their own troop or challenging another silverback for leadership. 17. Surprisingly fast. Despite their massive size and bulk, gorillas can run at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour when necessary. Their agility and speed often come as a surprise to those who see them move through dense forests. 18. Gorillas hum when they're happy. One of the most heartwarming facts is that gorillas hum while eating, especially when they're enjoying their food. This dinner-time hum is a low-content sound that shows their enjoyment, much like humans humming when they're in a good mood. 19. Some gorillas are left-handed. Just like humans, gorillas can be left-handed or right-handed. Studies have shown that some gorillas show a preference for one hand over the other when performing tasks like eating or grooming. 20. Females choose their mates. Female gorillas have the power to choose their mates. They'll often leave their birth group to find a new troop, joining a silverback whose strength and leadership appeal to them. This female choice plays a crucial role in the continuation of the species. And there you have it, 20 amazing, strange, and wonderful facts about gorillas. These creatures may seem intimidating, but they are filled with intelligence, emotion, and behaviors that make them one of the most remarkable animals on Earth. From their close-knit social structures to their incredible strength, gorillas remind us just how complex and awe-inspiring the animal kingdom can be. Thanks for watching The Science Magicians.